Hey, Edgar's in Funneltopia here. A couple new feature additions related to communities. So, in case you didn't know, in Funneltopia, you can build communities. Think something similar to Facebook groups, right? So, kind of, there's more and more things being added right now, as it was more bare bones like a couple months ago. Now, there's more and more really cool features, and a couple of them I want to mention today. So with members, you now have the ability to not only remove them from the group, but also ban them so they can't, get back in. Basically, that's one of the features. If they're like breaking the group rules and just basically they shouldn't be in the group anymore, right? And kind of somehow related to the same thing, you can also like check the post to somebody else, let's say made a post, and anyone in the group can report it. So once they report a post, you will receive the admins of this group will receive an email notification. Plus, it will show up over here as well, of like a basically the post, and then there's going to be two options: you can keep or remove the post, right? So once somebody reports it, so that kind of makes it really simple. And just yeah, more things, more additions to help you keep the group clean and people play by the rules. So yeah, definitely go check it out. It's under the memberships, communities, groups. You can create one here, like I have an example one here. There's definitely videos on the channel related to this, so go check it out. But yeah, if you have any questions over here, 24/7 chat support, let us know. Any questions Funneltopia related. But if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.